Hi everyone, I've got some easy dinner ideas going on here. This is summer, not summer, but more of like a fall sausage soup. And I'm using Silly sausages. Today I have the Cumberland sausage coil and mild Italian sausage. Now the Cumberland coil comes in a pack of case sausage. So I just sort of scooched it into like meatballs, and I added some onion and carrots, Swiss chard, sweet potato, some garlic, and some chopped tomatoes. And I added a bit of salsa because now I'm going to add cream because I like that tomatoey, creamy kind of a thing. And so I'm going to add a bit of cream. I put most of that in. It's kind of to taste. And I made it with the bone broth from Silly sausage. And so the bone broth is so delicious that you're going to have automatic yummy flavor. And so then from to there, all we do is we add any kind of cooked pasta. This is done al dente. And then I just add your pasta. And I serve it with maybe some fresh herbs or some Parmesan cheese, like this. So there we go. And then some Parmesan cheese, maybe more. And there we have it, an easy dinner from Silly sausage. Thanks.